In the last session, we were working out this problem, statement of changes in working capital. We worked out that one and found out the increase in working capital 5,000 rupees. And then funds from operations, we calculated that one. So we have prepared before that, since it is a sole trader concern and profit is also not available. We have prepared one statement where we found out the profit, and with this profit we have considered it as net profit, and we started preparing the fund from operations and calculated that one. Okay, and then we have made some working notes also, because so for fund flow statement, before preparing the fund flow statement, we have to prepare necessary fixed assets account. Particularly when in question, if they mention you some depreciation, you have to prepare concerned fixed asset account. Then only you come to know either purchase or sale, whatever you have made, no, you can identify from that. So working notes in that, if you see furniture account, we prepared and we found out that there is no purchase or sale with respect to furniture account. Okay, so no, here they have given you the opening and closing balance. So already with this one we discussed opening balance and closing balance of the furniture, and we have taken that on the debit side and credit side, and depreciation we have provided. And this depreciation information is also available under additional information. Okay, on opening balance only always you should provide depreciation, and we have found out the amount also 40,000 into 10 by 100, and this one we have shown on the credit side. So there is no purchase or sale of that furniture. Similarly, like this you have to prepare even the machinery account. Okay, then only you come to know either purchase or sale you have made that machinery, because this information you will take it to fund flow statement under either sources of funds or application of funds based upon that. So sale means you will show under sources, purchase means you will show under the application of funds. Okay, so for that purpose only we are preparing all these working notes. So in order to find out purchase or sale, before preparing your fund flow statement, you have to compulsorily prepare this working notes, because if information like this depreciation is given, you have to prepare this account. So now let us prepare the machinery account. So as usual, how for an ledger accounts and final accounts format, you will use both the sides of your accounts note. Similarly, you should use if you are using a separate page, a different page means all these heading, debit, credit, particulars, amount, everything should be there. Okay, so you have to prepare accordingly as per the format. So opening balance will come this side to balance brought down, and closing balance will come on the credit side. So this is with respect to your asset. Asset means you should have your opening balance on debit side and closing balance on the credit side. Depreciation, if anything is there, you will provide here. Depreciation, anything if it is there, you will provide here. Okay, only if depreciation is there or some sale is there, only you will prepare that account, or else you will not prepare that account. Okay, so if there is some purchase or if there is some sale or if there is some depreciation, then only you will prepare the asset, and accordingly where you are getting balancing figure, you will find out either purchase or sale or whatever they have done. Okay, so machinery account opening balance, machinery opening balance is 20,000 and closing balance is 1,17,000. So this we can take. Opening balance is 20,000. Okay, and closing balance, if you see, it's 1,17,000. Okay, now depreciation, here you will show it. So depreciation on machinery, if you see, it is 10% on opening balance. So on 20,000 only you have to provide, not on 1,17,000. Okay, so always provide depreciation on the opening balance. Either they mention or not mention, you just provide on the opening balance. So 20,000 only you have to provide. So 20,000 into 10 by 100, 2,000 you will get. So this already we showed this amount in before itself in fund from operation calculation itself. We showed this amount. Okay. So that same thing only you are going to take that 2,000 here also. Okay. Now you just find out how much you are getting amount. So that's it information with respect to your machinery account. Further, they have not given any information. This much they have sold out. This much they have purchased. Anything additional information, if they give you, then you will take accordingly. But they have not said anything. Now you have to close your machinery account and find out how much balancing figure you are getting, on which side you are getting that balancing figure. So the either if you see this side balancing figure, then it will become a purchase. So to bank account you will mention. If you get this side as a balancing figure, then they have sold out. By bank account you have to show. Okay. Accordingly, fund flow statement we will take. So if you see this side only higher amount, 2,000 plus 1,17,000, it's 1,19,000. Okay. So which side higher, that amount you will take to both the sides of your debit and credit side. 1,19,000. Okay. This amount you should take to both the sides. So now what is the difference amount, that balancing figure? 1,19,000 minus 20,000, you will be getting 79. How much? 99,000. Okay. So this amount will be your purchase. Okay, so this is the purchase. If you get balancing figure this side, this is the purchase. So to bank account. Okay, so this will be your balancing figure. Okay, so you can highlight this also. So like this only you have to obtain. If suppose this side higher amount and this side lower amount, means you will get balancing figure on credit side. So then it will become sale. Sale means you will take to source of funds. Purchase means you will take to application of funds. So this amount will go to the application of funds in fund flow statement. Okay. So like this, you have to prepare concerned asset account in case if you are going to have any depreciation in your additional information. Okay. Now all the working notes got over. So your first step, statement of changes in working capital, and your second step, your fund from operations, for which you have prepared one statement and found out profit. Okay. And then the third step we have to prepare right now, that is fund flow statement. Before that you have to prepare necessary asset account. In case provision for taxation, proposed dividend, anything if they give, no, for that also opening and closing balance, everything information is given. And similarly additional information also given, means you have to prepare that as that account also. Provision for taxation, proposed dividend, you might get here liability side. Similarly additional information also they will give. So if suppose they are giving that information also, then you have to prepare that account and find out either tax paid, dividend paid, you have to find out, or provision whatever you have created for this year you will be finding out. So but in this question, no, nothing information is given with respect to that. So you can just leave it up. Okay, so provision for taxation, that all items given only, it will get confused for you. So here nothing is given. So you can straight away go to preparing the fund flow statement. So you have to mention the heading fund flow statement. So for which you will be using only one side of your accounts note, fund flow statement. Okay, if suppose a particular person's name like that, if they are giving, no, you better to write that one. Okay, so you'll be using only one side, particulars column, one inner column amount, other one also amount column, for which you'll be entering the final amount here. Okay. So the first thing will be your sources of funds. Sources of funds. Here, sources of funds. If there is any sale of fixed assets, whatever receipts, no, that is known as inflow. That is the sources of funds actually. So if you have sold any machinery, any furniture, something, here it will come. If you got funds from operations, it will come here. In case of your company, no, company limited, some like that, no, you will get issue of shares, issue of debentures. But here there is no such thing, because it is a sole trader concern. You don't have share capital or debentures here. So only capital we have. So if you see, no, they have made drawings only. Okay. So you should not find out difference. So issue usually if you take in case of joint stock companies, equity share capital, preference share capital, debentures, all those items you can come across, because they want to raise fund from the public. So they will be floating shares and debentures there. But in case of sole trader concern, it is not like that. So joint stock companies, what you will do, you just find out the difference. If it has got increased means issue. If it has got declined means redemption they have done. You will come to conclusion and you will put in sources or applications. But here if you see, it is a purely a sole trader concern. So here they have made drawings also. Drawings is generally, it is an outflow. Okay, it is going out of your business. So it is an outflow, even if it is for a personal use or what, personal use also, it is considered as drawings only. So it is an outflow. So you have to show this 20,000 in outflow of funds. That is your application of funds you have to show. Other than that, you should not show your capital and all here. Okay. Next, creditors already we have dealt with. Okay. So already current liabilities we have shown. So you should not take that to fund flow statement. Loan from Mrs. Karpan. So this is 60,000 and 68,000. So you have to think. So either if it is increased, loan increased means the fund is coming into your business. Okay. So 10,000 is there. Now 50,000 is there means 5,000 extra we have borrowed. So it is that. So it is fund is, if you are borrowing means fund is coming into business. Whatever you have borrowed, if you are paying means it is application of funds. Okay. So for loan from Mrs. Karpan, 8,000 it has got increased means additionally you have borrowed. So loan from Mrs. Karpan you have to show under sources of funds only. Okay. So first let us take the fund from operations, whatever we have obtained. So that can be the first information. So the 66,000 we can take first. Okay. So mention it as funds from operations. Funds from operations, 66,000. Okay. And next will be your loan from Mrs. Karapan, 8,000. How we found out means the difference of these two numbers, 60,000, 68,000 difference is 8,000. So this amount will be borrowed actually. So loan from Mrs. Karapan, loan from Mrs. Karapan as 8,000. Okay. So additionally, you have borrowed means fund is coming into the business inflow. Okay. So moving to the other one, loan from Canara Bank. So it was not there. Now it is there. Means you have borrowed. Okay. So previously 0. You didn't have loan. Now 50,000 you have borrowed. Borrow பண்ணும்போது it is inflow. It is coming into your business. Fund is coming into your business. So it comes under sources of funds. Okay. So if 50,000 is here, and here if it is nil means 50,000 you have repaid. Now nothing. Okay. So you have to show under repayment of loan, application of funds, repayment of loan and put 50,000 we have to show. Okay. So you have to find out either borrowed, already it was there or not. You have to understand all those things. They will not give you. So from the amount only you have to find out whether they are borrowed or whether they have repaid. Okay, entirely repaid or entirely they are borrowed, which was not there earlier. See here, no 0. Here they have entirely borrowed 50,000. So loan you have to show 50,000 under sources because it is coming into the business while obtaining loan. While repaying loan, fund is going out of the business. So application of funds. If suppose additional amount, see here, additional amount they have got 8,000. Sometime whatever amount is there, that itself part payment they will repay. Then application of funds, again difference only you have to find out, and application of funds you will show that one. So increased decreased, already it was there, now not there means repaid. Already it is not there but now it is there means they have borrowed now. Okay, you should understand in that way. So loan from Canara Bank 50,000 they have obtained now. So you have to show in sources only because while getting loan, it is coming into your business. So loan from Canara Bank. So this amount will be 50,000. So which was not there previously, now it is there. Okay. So now find out any other thing. Okay. So what all other things that will come under sources? So usually sources applications in that if you see long-term liabilities, capital related information, that is shares, debentures, capital related thing, long term liabilities, fixed assets, these only it will come, and any tax paid or interim dividend paid, that only will come under fund flow statement. So now if you see cash at bank, stock, debtors, everything, no, it will come under current asset first step, that is the statement of changes in working capital. Now furniture and machinery, if you see, we have prepared separate accounts for that. Furniture, no, it is getting tallied. So no purchase, no sale. You cannot show that. Machinery, if you see, they have purchased here. Okay, so this is a purchase. So 99,000 you have to show under application of funds. Okay, so let us leave some space here. So write the heading. So you have to mention heading everything. Application of funds. So purchase of machinery. So 99,000 we have found out as the balancing figure there. That amount will be taken over here. So like this you have to see any other thing will come. We have to include that we have to consider. And drawings, no, since it is an outflow of fund. So it is going out of your business. So drawings 20,000 you have to show here only. So drawings amount has to be shown here. 20,000 rupees. So now you just find out any other items has been skipped. Okay, so long-term liabilities has been included. So capital here, it will not come instead of that drawings we have taken. This side, if you see, all are current assets. These two are fixed assets. For furniture, no more, nothing. Machinery only we have included. Okay. So now just find out the total of this one and find out how much it is coming. 66,000 plus 8,000, 74,000. 74 plus 50, if you see, 1,24,000, I think so. Just find out. Okay. So here, if you see, no, 99,000. So this is known as what? Total sources that you have to mention. This is total sources of funds. Total sources of funds, which can be denoted by A. Okay. Now this is known as total application of funds, which is denoted by B. Okay, so total is 1,19,000. Now A minus B. Yes, ma.
மேம் ஏன் மேம் நம்ம கேபிட்டல் எடுக்கல சோல் ப்ரொப்ரைட்டர்ஷிப்ங்கிறதுனால எடுக்கலையா மேம்
See, yes, for that only they have given you the drawings, no. See here, they have given the drawings how you can show as increase in share capital. So in case of your joint stock companies, no, yeah, how you will find out? So 80,000 they have given, 1,20,000 has been given here. So just an increase. So increase in share capital means it is issue, further issue. So you will show under sources of funds. But here,
Yes, ma'am.
but here, if you see, means you cannot show it as a further rise in the capital because they have given drawings in the question. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
ma'am, whenever drawings கொடுத்தாலே கேபிட்டலை வந்து சோர்சஸ்ல காட்டக்கூடாது.
yes, it should be shown as a application of funds because it is a drawings.
ஓகே மேம். மேம்
Okay,
டிராயிங்ஸ் கொடுக்காம கொடுத்திருந்தா காட்டலாமா மேம்?
drawings கொடுக்கலனா கூட you cannot show.
ஓகே மேம். சோல் ப்ரொப்ரைட்டர்ஷிப்னா கேபிட்டல் வந்து சோர்சஸ்ல காட்டக்கூடாது whenever இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிருந்தா கூட.
Okay, ஆமா.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so moving to this one. So sources of funds minus application of funds will give you 1,24,000 minus 1,19,000 will give you the 5,000 amount. Okay, so this amount is known as increase. Since your sources are more, increase in working capital, that is A minus B. If you do A minus B, that is A is your sources and B is your application of funds. So we'll give you the increase in working capital. Now this amount is 5,000. This amount, if you see that same 5,000 you would have got here 5,000. So if you are getting like this, no, then your sum is right, or else you have done somewhere mistake. You have to go through the entire problem. So if you are getting this working capital, first step, either it is right or wrong, how you can identify means this amount and this amount should match. Then first step is right. Then till your final step, whether it is right or wrong, how you can identify means only if you get this increase in working capital sources minus application, if you subtract that amount and your first step amount should come right, then only your answer is right. Okay, correct. Then otherwise you have done somewhere mistake. It is that. So you should understand and see wherever all the items will come. First, immediately after giving the problem, you have to go through either it is a company limited. If they mention no, then it is some company's balance sheet only. Okay. So where you can find out easily issue or redemption capital with respect to the capital, and find out what other items will come under which place. So already you have 3 places. So under the 3 places where it will appear, you should find out that one. Okay. And each and every item, whatever item given here, everything you should identify. And then what all the necessary accounts you have to prepare as working notes, that one also you have to identify. Okay. So you have to identify and prepare accordingly your fund flow statement.